Hello, friends, and welcome back to Mr. Kevin's Piano Circle Time. In our last episode, we learned the knock knock song with our right hand. And in this episode, we're going to learn how to play it with our left hand. And we're even going to put both hands together and learn how to play both hands at the same time. I'm so excited that you're here. Let's get started. Now, let's try the knock knock song with our left hand. It's the same as our right hand, except we're going to take our left hand this time and identify our finger numbers. Remember, the thumbs are always number 1, right? So, our thumb is finger number 1, pointer finger, finger number 2, middle finger is finger number 3, our ring finger is finger number 4, and our pinky is finger number 5. So, we're going to take our pinky, finger number 5, and find C. Got these 2 black keys, and I'm going to go 1 to the left. That's C. And I'm going to put my 5th finger on C. And make sure each finger has its own note. Now, we're ready to play. So first it says to start off with finger number 5. And we know that's the pinky. So finger number 5, finger number 5, then finger number 4, we're going to play that 2 times. And finger number 3 2 times. Then we're going to go to finger number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's do it again because we have that repeat sign there. Finger number 5, 5, finger number 4, 4, finger number 3, 3. Then we're going to go to finger number 1, finger number 2, finger number 3, finger number 4, and finger number 5. Great job, friends. You all are such great learners, and I know you're going to catch on to this so fast. Here's a challenge for you. Once we get this down with our right hand, and we master the knock knock song with our left hand, try playing both hands together at the same time. So here's how we're going to play it with both hands. We're going to make sure our right hand is on C. Finger number 1 should be on C, and each finger has its own note. Make sure finger number 5 in our left hand is on C, and each finger has its own note. We should have the right hand and the left hand mastered individually. And then we can play it together. Great job, friends. I am so proud of you. You did such a great job. And I know that you're going to practice and practice and practice so you can get it right, even if you didn't quite get it right this time. I know that you're going to remember persistence like in the last episode, and you're going to keep trying and keep trying and keep trying. Before we move on to the next chapter, let's wrap it up. We have to remember the highs and the lows of the piano. Remember the pattern of the black keys. 2 black keys and 3 black keys. 2 black keys and 3 black keys. And by knowing the 2 black keys and the 3 black keys pattern, we can find C by going 1 to the left. And we even learned the song. We learned the knock knock song. And in that song, we learned what a repeat sign is. In the description below, I'll have a PDF that's available to you. It'll have all the activities that we learned, and we'll also have these flashcards that you can print out. You can cut them out so you can remember what we've learned. Friends, I am so excited for the next episode. We're going to learn so much, and you're even going to meet one of my special friends. I can't wait to see you next week. Until next time, bye-bye.